All right, good morning. We are going to be reading about coasts, and that is what land meets the ocean. Have you been there? If you've ever been to the beach, you've been on a coast. A coast is when the land meets the sea or ocean. Coastal areas are also known as shores and seasides. This is a picture of the Bahamas. If you only had color, it would be way prettier, but awesome. Coasts, as beautiful as they can be, have it rough sometimes. They are hurt by pollution, oil spills, and garbage from both land and sea. Pollution changes the way a coast looks and is harmful to the animals who live there. A coast is always changing. This landform is constantly changing each and every day. Waves help create coastlines. When waves crash onto shore, they wear away at or erode the land, but they also leave behind little parts of the sea, such as shells, sand dollars, seaweed, and hermit crabs. Sometimes these objects become a part of the coast too. This is the coast in Portugal. Looks beautiful. A fast or fun fact, Canada is known for having the longest coasts in the world. All right, let's look at the questions. See if I can do side by side. Maybe not today. Okay. Coast, evidence. What is a coast? So let's go look for this word, coast. A coast is when the land meets the sea or ocean. So you're going to write this whole sentence in this right here. So pause the video and write in a coast is when the land meets the sea or ocean. Number 2, highlight the evidence in red. So in your passage, you're going to highlight the answer. What are coastal areas also known as? Coastal areas are also known as shores and seasides. You're going to grab your red. Also known as, coastal areas are also known as shores and seasides. What is an example of something that hurts the coast? Animals, oil spills, cars, and waves. Let's go look for this word. Well, we have the word hurt over here. They are hurt by pollution, oil spills, and garbage from both land and sea. Let's go back to our question. What is an example of something that harms the coast? Animals, oil spills, cars, or waves? How does pollution change a coast? Here's the word changes. Change. How does pollution change a coast? Pollution changes the way a coast looks and is harmful to the animals who live there. So you're writing that sentence right in this one. Okay? Pollution changes the way a coast looks and is harmful to the animals who live there. Coasts are constantly, let's go look for the word, constantly. Right over here. Look for the word constantly and write in the next one. Look for this word in this section right here and write the next word that comes after it. Moving, jumping, changing, growing. You can find it right here or you can find it in your passage. Highlight the evidence in blue. What do waves create? It's probably going to look for waves or create. Waves help create coastlines. Okay, what do waves create? Where'd it go? Waves help create coastlines. What does the word erode mean? Let's go look for this word. There it is. When waves crash onto shore, They wear away at or erode. So this is what it means. Erode means they wear away at the land. So you're going to write in this one right here. What do waves not leave behind? Not. But they also leave behind little parts of the sea, such as shells, sand dollars, seaweed, and hermit crabs. Sometimes these coasts become a part of the coast too. So which one is not in your section here? So we got shells, sand dollars, seaweed, and rocks. Here we got shells, sand dollars, seaweed, and hermit crabs. Which one does it not leave behind? Highlight the evidence in green. Where are the longest coasts in the world? Canada is known for having the longest coasts in the world. Right here, you're going to draw a coast. Thank you.